Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful afternoon. And I am planning to do a non-pretentious cooking class. Not non-pretentious. I am just doing my cooking without any educational purpose. The other day, we went out and ate some salad, and it was so good. So I want to replicate it. What is that? There is a cucumber. So cucumber, pois chichi, raisins. And we have pois chichi. Look at it. And we have a tomato, dried tomato, a little bit sweet, a little bit salty, a little bit sour. Just perfect. So, oh, sorry. Sun-dried tomato. Maybe we can finish it, right? And some olive. Oh, I need to clean it with this. And artichoke. Artichoke, I need to cut it. And there is a lot of good sauce. Oh my goodness, I need to get a chopstick. Okay. And artichoke is a little bit large. We want to make everything about the size of the pois chichi, right? 1, 2, 3. I leave 2 of them. Okay, we leave 2. Oh. Isn't it the worst design in the world? I need to keep on opening it up. Now you can see. And we went to a restaurant, and it was so very delicious. So I want to replicate. And this is artichoke. Don't worry, I will leak it. And olive. We have only 2 olive. And this is olive in oil. Grilled olive in oil. We will see, maybe we will finish it also. Let me cut it a little bit small because it feels a little bit too big, right? Grilled olive. Sorry for the noise. I should have. And we have a black olive also. So black olive is also good. You can choose to use this one or black olive and some capsicum. Let's see, 1, 2。没事，你可以说话，可以说。Capsicum, cucumber. Oh, and oh my goodness, I need to do it again. And in the second layer, this is the worst design. Okay, we have some capsicum. It is fun. It is actually pretty fun to be like this. Capsicum. Don't be too small, don't be too large. It will be relevant to the cucumber size and the puashishi size. We need some red color, right? If I have red, capsicum will be good, but we don't have, and we will not worry too much about it. Celery root, how do I do it? Let me just cut. Celery root. Another time. Okay, now we will put in the caper, and I want it to be very, very flavorful by pressing it. Use a garlic press. See, it's so fun. Look at it. Okay, let me try to get some more caper out. The caper in juice, we can actually cook it. When we cook, instead of putting salt, we can put this caper in juice. That is also a good idea. See. Oh, you can even hear it. And then salt, pepper, and all the good stuff. Use a big spoon one more time. Oh, this spoon is good. It's good enough. Hello. Hello. mixed pepper, white pepper, black pepper, hello, salt, cumin seed, hello, mustard seed, hello, and that is it. This is a refreshing salad. A little bit more of red color will do good. And we are finishing this sun-dried tomato, so that's it. It's very, very, very delicious. Very delicious. And some friends say you should try it. I shall. Bye-bye, friends. Shall we put some black olive to make it to make some color contrast, right? Otherwise, it's missing some color. I just feel this way is a little bit better. Look at it. That looks good. Bon appetito. Do, 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 do. Okay. Then I realized we have some feta cheese. Why not use it, right? It is good. It's kind of no use to cut it into a certain size. It will break up by itself. But it doesn't hurt to cut it, right? Okay, feta cheese. Now we are all good. Looks so good. We have some fresh tomato from the backyard. I will see if I need to put it. Yes, I do need to put it because the flavor is, the color is not there, and it needs some sweet and sour from the tomato. Backyard tree. Look at it. Oh my goodness, I just want to eat it straight. Oh, you. Might be too big, but oh, look at the color. White, black, red, green, yellow. Wonderful. Bon appetito. For real.